a couple, I took some time off to rest, and now it's game time, bitches.
If you know me, then you know that I actually have locks, and about 40 locks, and they look like this. Okay, so I was feeling this dude before I even finished. But let's talk about the hair. It's from Outre X-Pression, Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist, and I linked it in the description. Look at this beautiful Afro texture. And it comes pre-separated. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so I have 2 jumbo locks left to do. And my first step is pretty much just running my fingers through the hair just a couple of times to make it a little bit more fluffier before I start adding it to my actual hair. So I do 2 locks per jumbo twist, and I add in the afro hair by braiding in the hair towards the bottom of my locks all the way to the bottom very tightly. And then when I get to the bottom of my lock, I just twist the rest down loosely. Okay, grab you another piece of hair and fluff it from top to bottom. Just run your fingers through it very lightly. It's gonna separate easily. And I just add one end of the kinky hair to the top of my locks and start to wrap it all the way down loosely. I don't do this tight at all. There's no tension at all, and I'm not doing this tight because I'm not retwisting my locks. Like in this style, I didn't retwist my locks to do it. I just want it to look as natural as possible. Oh wait, like I'm not finished with this actual lock. I add another piece of hair, and I just, same step, separate it, go through it lightly, boom. Start from the top and work your way down. And yeah, it's easy to adjust the hair while you're doing it. Like I was wrapping it too loosely, so I had to go back up and just reposition the hair, make it more natural looking. And when the hair doesn't make it all the way to the bottom, it's cool. I just grab another piece of hair, split it in half, and pick up where I left off at. Okay, and I'm just going to show you how I do this again, but just with a little speed behind it. Yeah, and I know you're probably thinking, that's a lot of hair. Is it heavy? Is it a lot of tension on your hair and your edges and your roots and all that? But I promise you, because I'm doing this so lightly, um, I don't really feel the hair in my head. Like, it's really lightweight hair. It's not heavy at all. It's not tight on my, roots. So this is a perfect protective style. Okay, so I'm finished, and now I'm about to give you the whole look kind of view. Um, yeah, how do you feel about it? I'm gonna show you the back of my hair. Now, mind you, I only have 40 locks, and I joined two of them together, so this kind of makes like just 20 locks. But if you have less, of course, your hair might be a little bit more fuller, and all that. And of course, big thanks to all you guys that's watching this video. Appreciate it.